Hey, good looking.
Hi.
What you got cooking?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Green light.
Looking chicken.
Hello?
Hello? Hey, Brenda, it's Jim.
Yes.
Hey, everything's all good. We're going to go ahead. We're going to work with it. And I had one question about the dirt. Your mom was showing me here in the back by the chicken coop.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know if you wanted it like back behind that swing or where you guys wanted that dirt.
I think... Oh my gosh. I think he wanted it where it ends. I don't know. I can't remember where he put the swing. Okay, the swing, and then it ends right there on the corner.
Okay.
I think that's where he wanted, on the corner. If you just put it somewhere there, he can always move it himself.
Because it's going to be about 2 dump truck loads, but I don't want to block that little driveway that leads up to that other garage door over there.
Right. I would just put it behind the swing, and then Roger can deal with it.
So put it behind the swing?
Yeah, but
that's what you're saying.
But closer up on the hill. If you got to do like on the in front of the chicken coop, and then I don't know where the swing's at. I can't remember where it's at.
It's more towards the corner.
Okay.
Like towards where it's like more of a drop off over there.
Okay. We have a loader, so just dump it there, and then I'll have Roger refix
Okay.
it. Okay.
Okay, because she was saying even we can make a little pile over by the ducks over here by the garden too, if we, run out of room over here or whatnot.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure it was okay. That's all.
Yep. That sounds good to me.
All right, thank you.
Bye. Roger.
Yes.
This guy's called me.
What's
Yeah,
that?
the guys just called me.
Yeah.
They're gonna put that dirt beside the swing on the edge. There's
Okay.
2 truckloads. If they run out of room, because you don't want to block the way going up into that little driveway on the side,
Yeah.
then if it's too much, you'll just put it over there where Dean put it,
Okay.
by the ducks. I said, it's no big deal. If you run out of room, just stick it over there. We have a loader, and I'll just have Roger remove it if he has to.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fine. I don't want a whole bunch of dirt over there by the, or I call it the driveway up to the side there.
Yeah, he said he don't want to block the entryway up there. So.
No, I just want a little bit more there so it doesn't wash down.
Yeah.
So you have a little walkway.
So I told him, I said, if you run out of room, you can put it by the ducks, because that's what Mom told him. I said, yeah, that's fine. I said, we have a loader, and it gets where it's not where he wants it, he can move it. Oh.